Hey guys, let's get into this really quick and easy hardware update. So here's a picture of before with the gold hardware, and here is after with the beautiful crystal looking hardware. So there's a close-up of before and a close-up of the after. Notice the nice gold accent on the back that I feel like flows great with my other decor. So today I'm changing out the hardware on this piece because I had that on there, but this is more of what I had in mind because I love the sparkly. I love how it reflects off my lamp. I love the little gold accent as well. And I grabbed these knobs for a whole $5.99 from Home Goods. So you definitely have to look in Home Goods as a really nice, inexpensive way to upgrade some of your hardware. So that's what we're doing today. And unfortunately, the screw on here was too short. I have paint under my nails to go through all of these layers. So I have my husband here who's taking his drill bit to this piece, making it wider towards the back so that this nut will catch the bolt. So that's it. Quick, easy, inexpensive update. Let's take one more look at the before and then the after. I absolutely love the outcome. I hope you are inspired to make some quick and easy and inexpensive updates to your home. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.